I've been receiving several DMs from people asking which AI account is best to invest in as a beginner with a budget of less than $500, and my answer is Outlier. Unlike Handshake AI, Outlier is well known due to its connection with the former platform Rematasks, as both operate under Scale AI, and many tasks have been gradually moved from Rematasks to Outlier. Outlier has built a strong reputation over the years for offering a stable workflow, reliable opportunities, and multiple payment options such as PayPal, AirTM, and ACH, bank transfer, unlike other platforms where payment methods are unclear. Another major advantage is that if you sign up, complete your profile, and pass the assessment within about an hour, you can start earning almost immediately. The company is also known for timely weekly payments every Tuesday, and since most tasks pay at least $25 per hour, it often takes less than a week to recover your investment. For any questions, feel free to reach out.